Student generated alphabet. Do y'all know what that is? No? Alright. So, the first thing we're going to be doing is that I'm going to give each of you one sheet of paper. And what we're going to do with this piece of paper is we're going to, I'm going to assign each of you one letter of the alphabet, and y'all are going to write the uppercase and lowercase word, or lowercase version of that letter. Do y'all know what that means? Uppercase and lowercase? Yeah. You have your big letter and your little letter. So, we're going to give each of you a pencil. Mechanical pencil? Yeah. Alright, there you go. Alright, now, I'm going to give you the letter N, and I'll give you the letter P. So, I want you to, on the top, I want you to write the big letter and then the little letter. And then, after that, I'll tell you what we're going to do next. Good job. Alright, that's a wonderful job. Okay, now, at the bottom of the page, we're going to think of a word that starts with a letter. So, if I were to think of something that starts with M, or something that starts with P, what can I think of?
Just pick a number today.
What are you going to eat at lunch today? What did they say on the announcement? What do you guys usually eat on Fridays? Pizza? Does that start with a P? You could use that as your word, pizza. You just make sure to write it at the bottom. Remember, whenever we write a single word or at the start of a sentence, what do we have to do before the first letter? Yeah, we have to do uppercase or a big letter. So when you write out your word, make sure you do the big letter first and then write out the rest of the little letters. Okay? Have you thought of your word? Someone starts with M? Monster monkey?
There's a I know
That's the monster. Okay. So write out your word, but make sure the first letter is big. It is the big version or uppercase, okay? Yeah, we're spelling out pizza and we're writing it. Well, let's not do that. So, so there's an N after O. And then what makes the sound? At the very end. Yeah? So you're right. See, ER. Monster. Almost like star, but there's an E instead of an A. Or, no, monster. So when there's an sound, so there's an E. R's at the end. It's just whenever. There we go. It's perfectly fine if you want to rewrite it. Yeah, because there's an eraser. No, that's perfectly fine. There we go. Okay. You have the first two letters right. And then, pizza. Remember, actually, no, that is tricky, but pizza doesn't actually have an E, it uses an I. And the Z sound is a bit longer, because you have zebra, which is one Z, and it's, so that's like two Z's. So there's two Z's in pizza.
You can erase it.
Yeah, it's I instead of E. Don't worry, this is a practice run before I give you the little ones, so which we actually do. So don't worry, you're still fine.
GL words, yes they all start with GL. GL words, that's what I say. GL words, and it's so
And then, remember for pizza, pizza. What is the ah sound? Ah, like ah, like aha. That's an A. So pizza. You had most of it right though. Just make sure to add that extra Z for the extra long Z sound. And an A. And then you're missing your final letter. A. Yep. There you go. Alright, good. Now, using our pencils, what we're going to do is that we're going to go ahead and draw a picture relevant to the word we just draw. So, that's pretty fun. Don't worry, we have all the space on your paper.
Okay. We're gonna do this paper together today. But before we do this paper, can you think of some words that begin with gold, silent pockets? What?
Think you're done? Okay.
Glitter.
We're going to wait for them to finish. Sorry.
Good job. What?
Wonderful pictures, y'all. Alright,
Glue.
so now that we have a rough draft,
Like the glue,
we know.
like a glue stick.
Now let's
like
review.
glue bottle.
What did we do first?
We draw the uppercase and lowercase. What letter we have, I would give.
And the second thing we did?
Draw a word that starts with the letter.
Yep. And the last thing we did?
And then draw the thing that the word means.
What's that?
Now, I'm going to take these things. Now I'm going to go ahead and give y'all these smaller templates, that way y'all can do it again, but on your own. And then after y'all finish doing that with pencil, I'm going to give you crayons, so that way you can color in your letters, your word, and your picture.
How would you color that?
Well, it's because you're doing lines. Well, I guess just your picture then.
No, I can't make you color.
No. Can I tell you why?
I will make you
Because
color.
you're saying gold. What are you saying? Gold is not a word.
Well, just please try to
But
keep
you're gonna
stick with the way you did it.
So you're gonna say
That's how we can color it in.
your first word you say
Good
is
job
gold.
good job with that one. You can continue to move on to the second and last part if you want to.
Old. You see how the L doesn't come next? There's an L there. That's what you're hearing. That's a blend. It has to be GL together.
Wonderful job.
Okay. Glide. You know what glide means? It's kind of like a slide, but this is like a gliding. This is gliding.
Okay, now you just gotta yep, and you gotta do the
Have you
picture
heard
part.
of
The reason why we're doing it in pencil first is that it's called a sketch, to which we do the lines first before we actually do the color.
and hang on.
Mhm.
You know this big kite and you're hanging onto this bar and you're flying through the sky? You ever seen that?
Yeah?
Any other words? Okay, I'm gonna help you. Glow. Everybody say glow. Glow. Like glow in the dark. Glow.
Alright. go ahead and take out whatever color you want to fill in your pizza. Or,
How is my mess?
Globe. Or
well, that's fine. I usually just hold down this thing and just push it down.
it's inside of a glass and you shake it up.
You can also choose your colors as well to do your picture.
How about glasses?
I can't reach.
This one here. There you go. Choose whatever crayon you want.
What about something you put on your hands? Repeat after me. Glue. Glue. Globe. Glance. Glad. Glasses. Globe. Glide. Gloves. Glass. Glitter. You see how you have one side of this paper? We're gonna do this together so we can get done fast. Alright. You only need one color. One crayon. Okay? Now, if you wanna go ahead and get started without me, sure, go for it. Otherwise, we'll do it together so we can get done. Yes? Okay, who's over here? Daniel. And Malachi.
Bless you.
Get yourself busy with this table. Okay, what's new? Yeah, quick. Okay, table number 5.
Okay, now we're going to put adventures. Are both of y'all finished? With your picture? We're looking for some things. That's the only, that's the closest thing to black I have. There we go. Alright, now once more, let's review. So, the first thing we did, and the second thing we did,
So then lay that each
Where's my grandma?